Hi, this is Mayor Jim Fiorentini. Welcome to another edition of Minute with the Mayor. Over the last couple of weeks, we've really done a lot with public education. The school committee voted 5-2, I was in the majority, to choose Margaret Marotta as our new incoming superintendent of schools. Ms. Marotta, for the past 8 or 9 years, has been the assistant superintendent in Salem. She comes very, very highly recommended. She's helped to improve the Salem schools, and we're certainly hoping she can do the same here. We've also voted, both the school committee and a majority of the city council, to ask the state for help in totally renovating the Constantino School. Now, we've put millions of dollars into our schools over the past several years to renovate and improve them. The days when people said the schools weren't well maintained and weren't renovated, those days ended. We've put new boilers in the schools, new windows, new doors. We've improved the energy efficiency and the look and appearance of all of our schools. We built a brand new hunking school that's the envy of everybody in this region. And now it's time to fix the Constantino School. Now, we wish we could do a lot more schools, but there's only a certain amount of money, and the state will only approve one school at a time. The school that needs it the most is the Constantino School. So we voted to send off an application to the state ask for their assistance to totally renovate the Constantino School. Once that's done, if we get state approval, then we'll look at some other schools too, the John Greenleaf Whittier, the Tilton, and some of the other schools. At all times, we look at how much money we have and whether or not we can afford it. Because with all of the great ideas and great plans in the world, unless you have the money to pay for it, they don't mean anything. I'll be back next week with another edition of Minute with the Mayor. In the meantime, for those of you who celebrated, have a very happy Easter. Thanks for listening.